Welcome to our channel 1 to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change language on your Omegle. So follow the steps which I'm going to show you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. So first thing first, you want to search for Omegle just like this. Write omegle.com. I repeat, it's omegle.com and search for it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of Omegle. Once you're over here, as you guys can see, everything written over here is on English. But let's say I want to change it. In order to do that, what I have to do is in the top over here at the top right corner, you should see like a little icon just like this. So mine's written in Nepali, so you might not understand, but it basically means English. So let's say I don't want it on English. I want to change it into something else. I can click on the arrow right beside it and I can choose whichever language I want from all these options. Let's say I want Nepali. I can click on it, wait for some time, and the entire page will be translated to Nepali. Now I chose Nepali, that's why it translated to Nepali, but you can choose any other language, it'll change to that. But let's say I don't want it in Nepali, I want to change it back to English. What I can do is click on this little arrow again and choose English, and it's back to English again. So just like this, you guys can change the language. Now you can also go in text. I'll agree to its terms and service. Now it's going to chat me with someone random. What I can do is just click on this little arrow again. Now what I can do is just click on this arrow again, choose Nepali, and it'll be translated to Nepali just like this. And if I want it back in English, just this arrow again in English, and I'm back to English. So that's how you guys can change your language on Omegle. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. I'll see you guys next time.